Back on the chout. Today I wanted to check how I can mount the transmission, but I could see this shaft that is holding the selector gear has a lot of play. The shaft came beside the gearbox. The gearbox didn't came with a shaft, so I guess somebody some time ago was making this hole a little bit bigger and a bigger shaft for it. That is what I have to do after the first test. I can mount the gears and everything, but I have to build an oversized shaft. My big luck is that I was buying some time ago some treated shafts, and surface treatment it has. It's like a bearing and it comes in different dimensions. This shaft has, I will use millimeters, 9.3 millimeters, and we need around 9.6 millimeters. So I will take a 10 millimeter shaft that is treated and straight, and I will take it to fine grinding so I can make the shaft I need on this gearbox. I'm ready now to press in the bearings into the chief gearbox. This one will be on this side, this one on this side. I will use these two presses. You will see how I will press it on in the time lapse. So I heated up the crankcases, the case of the gearbox, sorry. I cooled down in the freezer the bearings. As you could see, they slide it in quite nicely. That's the second bearing. Now I can try to mount the gears in the gearbox. Now I want to mount the gearbox gears. For that, I first have to slide in this gear until the bottom. Don't put the axle in, so you can put in this one, and after this one is in, you can also put the axle on the lower one. The lower gear has also this gasket on the end of the axle and the locking this that will come here.